Good morning, everybody. My name is Robert Gibson from Samuel Phillips. It's a law firm in the Northeast. I've been doing daily vlogs on employment issues, and I am proud to support the Save Our SME campaign, which is giving advice to business owners. The first piece of advice today I want to talk around are those businesses that are open and those that are shut. And basically, there's a lot of misunderstanding about the government guidance here, and it's this. There's a list of businesses that have to shut. And if you're on that list, you're shut. As for the rest, they are entitled to remain open. However, what they have to do is they have to comply, insofar as they can, with Public Health England guidelines. So, here's an example. Canteens. Where there are no practical alternatives, workplace canteens can remain open to provide food for staff and provide space for breaks. Where possible, staff should be encouraged to bring their own food and distributors should move to takeaway. Measures should be taken to minimise the number of people in the canteen break space at any one given time, for example by using a rota. So that's an example of how you approach things. So therefore, if you're not on the list of you have to close, you then move to the stage where you can remain open, and the employer has to consider whether they can set you up to work from home. And if they can set you up to work from home, that's it. That's what they have to do. Set you up to work from home. But particularly with manufacturing processes, etc., they can't. And therefore you move to a scenario where they have to make the workplace as safe and compliant with public health guidelines as they possibly can. Now, the sensible employers are holding an open and transparent dialogue with the workforce, frankly on an almost daily basis. But the sorts of things they need to put in place are staggered lunch breaks, one-way systems in the corridors so you don't pass each other, hand cleaning stations around the factory, doors being allowed to remain open so people don't have to touch the handles so often, social distancing of 2 meters, face masks where you can't have social distancing, drivers kept at the entrance to the factory or premises, all these sorts of measures that are put in place to make it as safe as they can be. And they should give a letter to their staff which can be shown to police officers explaining that the factory is open and that this is an individual who needs to come to and from work, and these are the times they need to come to and from work. It's entirely permissible. So, I hope that helps. Stay safe. Remember to wash your hands. Good luck.